So I got a Break Winch. It's for hooking up trailers and boats and stuff. So I'm gonna use it to put my stuff on top of the food truck. The hood vent, the exhaust fan, and the air conditioner right here. So this is my first time, so I'm going to read the instructions and figure out the proper way to screw the handle on. I'm sure it goes on here, but I just want to read just in case. I'm sure it goes right on here. Yeah. I'm still going to read the instructions, even though this looks self-explanatory. Hell yes, this is exactly what I need. Okay, so when I go to crank this, this handle is hitting this screw right here that's sticking out. So I'm going to have to try to cut that down some. It's hitting it very slightly. See, look. Look. Right there. It's hitting that screw. So I'm going to try to just grind off like a millimeter off of this screw right here. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, so this thing came from Harbor Freight. It cost $29.99, $30. So you really getting what you paid for, because there are a couple errors and things that should have went through a quality inspection. So I cut that off. Now I gotta get this to get tight. This bolt right here, look how far away it is from the base. Like, this is gonna be rocking and rolling all over the place. That's no good. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. This is loosening it. And then flip this down forward to tighten it. And you roll this way. See how the pulley is coming up? Watch the pulley. It's going to start coming up. See? Then you go this way and it'll release and go back. Now it's going down this way. So I'm mounting it onto a lift that I built so I can lift things up vertically onto my food truck. This brake winch can pull 1,000 pounds, so we should be good. So it's on there. It ain't coming off. It's a little bit off center, but it's gonna work. It's 31 degrees out here. I'm not trying to be out here too long. So this gonna have to work. I just gotta connect the pulleys up there. So I'm connecting the cable wire onto the pulley. If you want to see a more detailed explanation on connecting this part, watch the video I'm going to post about actually building the lift, and it's going to be explained in more detail there. Thank you. So right here I am bringing over my exhaust fan, because this is the item that I'm ready to pull up using the brake wrench. Pull it up onto the top of the food truck So it has some already standard holes drilled in through the bottom. So I just stuck some bungee cord in there and connected that to the main hook from the cable off of the winch. And now I'm winding it up. It's a little bit crooked. I'm gonna reset it so that it's not crooked like that and swinging. So I just need to get it straightened out, and then it's just going to wind all the way up. As long as you hear that clicking, you know that it's working. So it's just going to go click, click, click all the way up to the top. It's kind of fun. And once it's up there, then I slide it into place, and it worked perfectly. It's an absolutely perfect brake winch. This is the cheapest one, the $29.99 Harbor Freight brake winch. So thanks for watching. Bye.